After many years in hospitality, I decided to change the path and career, and I decided to be a plumber because it's a nice industry and I really love working with tools and hands.
Yeah, I absolutely would recommend the course. I think the balance of having the theory and the practical, but being all on site, so on site here for this course for 6 weeks, is a really good way of doing the learning.
I can say definitely that I've benefited from the training. It's made me understand a lot more when I'm liaising with plumbers, exactly what they're doing.
I've learnt skills that stay with me the rest of my life.
I've really enjoyed being in the practical workshops. There seems to be a lot of things to work on and a lot of different appliances to have experience on.
Doesn't matter who you meet in the corridor or in the classrooms, everyone is so encouraging.
I've never actually done this before, so it's something completely new. But again, this is where I want to challenge myself, even though I knew it'd be difficult.
I really like doing the circuits. I really enjoyed that, just because it was nice to actually see what you've done at the end of the day. I'd definitely recommend this to anyone if you want to have a go at it. It's a good thing to get under your belt.